How to turn on YouTube search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on YouTube search history. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on manage all history option. And now here in this section, what you can do is you can just scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as saving your watch history. So it means that I have already turned on the watch history option, but if you haven't, then here you will see not saving your watch history. So there you can just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page you will see the YouTube history option. So here I have turned on the YouTube history right now, but if you have turned off, then here you will see the turn on button instead of turn off. So there you can just tap on it, and after that you can confirm your action by turning it on again. And that's it. That's how you can turn on YouTube search history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.